One TV special report.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Aside from the report made by Councilor Sani Waminal, is there any other announcement?
Yes, Honorable
Go ahead.
Birthday Celebrator, you are now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. Just like to remind this august body that tonight is the coronation for our Miss Ascenso Ozamis Tourism 2025. The coronation will exactly start at 7 o'clock in the evening.
Venue.
Sharp.
Venue.
The mayor will be, and we will be wearing our Filipiniana for the girls and Barong
Kasi
Tagalog
attire?
for the boys.
Kasi atar Filipiniana.
Filipiniana, like our session attire. And
The venue.
the venue is Ascenso Wellness Park.
Yung muulan.
We already sent our prayers to the Sisters of Carmelites for sure. Mag-drizzle raon niya, di gid mag-ulan.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you for your information, Honorable Suizo, our committee chair on tourism, for this. I think that would be our closing program, no, for this celebration. Muna ba na?
No, Madam Chair. Tomorrow, our street dancing will start for the Pirangat Festival, 8 o'clock. And then we must be present 6 o'clock in the morning. And we should be present in the showdown that will start 1 o'clock in the afternoon at the City Hall lobby. Madam Chair. And also the awarding will follow after the ritual showdown of the 15 clusters, barangay. Then we will also be awarding the awards for the Festival Queen and the closing of our 77 Charter Anniversary.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Suizo. May I request your end that please cause an announcement to all the radio stations for the information of the public.
Yes, there's already.
Okay.
At least we already have it last week, Madam Chair, in all radio stations, including TV stations for them.
Okay, thank you. So please be reminded tonight.
Yes.
Karon ba? Karon no?
Yeah, tonight.
Karon na?
Tonight.
Karon na tonight, no? July 15 wala karon no. July 15. So, we'll be witnessing the coronation night. Mga gwapar ba kaayong atong mga kandidata. And then, the attire for the women is Filipiniana. And for the men, kanay barong. Okay. So, what if
everybody will be giving awards, Madam Chair. All of the councilors present will be presenting awards to the stage. And
Okay.
for tomorrow also, Madam Chair, we are also assigned for the awarding ceremony. Everybody also will be going upstage to present awards. And we will be wearing our Subanen polo shirt for tomorrow.
tomorrow, we will be wearing a subanon.
Yes, the Subanen polo shirt.
Subanon. For the women,
Pwede na
subanon.
katong shirt, Honorable Suizo?
Yes. Honorable
Katong
Suizo.
diligan.
For the
Katong polo
women,
shirt na to.
Polo shirt na
and
subanin.
for the women, subanon pod.
Ang polo shirt na to, mami.
Subanon.
Ang uniform na to.
I hope you can furnish us with the copy of the program.
We already had in our offices, Madam
Okay.
Chair, all of the programs for tonight and tomorrow.
Okay,
We already
thank you.
received.
Thank you, birthday celebrator. Any other matters to be discussed? For the matters on IP, wala na. Honorable Suizo, what about the IP? Are they invited as usual because they have to come over not during fiesta?
Yes, the tourism office already invited our Subanen. Since the street dancing will be held in the morning,
Sila
I think
maguna.
they will going to have the ritual in the morning. The city tourism office already coordinated with them, and if we could at least join them for tomorrow, but it would be 6 o'clock in the morning
And we will wear
before the
our
street
subanan.
dance. Madam
We have
Chair,
to wear our subanan.
the polo shirt
Okay.
only.
There will be no civic parade.
No civic parade this year,
Okay.
maybe next year.
Sige.
But it's important for us to be present on the 1 o'clock showdown tomorrow.
1 o'clock
Here
showdown
in the
kami,
lobby,
Business
yes.
Playground, sa mga subanan.
Yes, you're wearing our Subanon polo shirt.
The participants by barangay?
15 clustered barangays,
50.
Madam Chair.
Okay. Thank you. So please be reminded of our activities for tomorrow. To highlight is the charter anniversary. Kapila na 77 on the 77th charter anniversary, no? So we will be highlighting the Subanon tomorrow. Okay. Magsinubanon punta. Okay. So we will invite our staff nga magsubanon kuno taog maapuhon. Okay, thank you very much, Honorable Suiza, for your information. Any other information for tomorrow's activities? Yes, go ahead.
Before we will adjourn, Madam Chair, I'd just like to congratulate our staff, the City Council office, during the Employees Night. We won second
Okay.
place in our in the presentation contest of
Okay, congratulations.
dances. Congratulations to our
Congratulations to our staff.
3 consecutive years we always place second.
Hindi lang. May nang zero ng kaswa. Congratulations to
Thank
our
you for their
dancers.
efforts, our dancers. We always appreciate your effort in the practices and making it to the top, especially to the very energetic Sir Melvin for the choreography as well as coordination. Thank you.
Truly, no, if I have to make my own decision, ang City Council sa wala dapig-dapig mo, bigyan number 1. Lagpakan na to, be. Sa tinuod lang, the best presentation is the office of the City Council. Best in costume. Okay. Palakpakan na to. Very good kayo. Anyway, what is most important is you have presented your part so well. Honorable Salvador, please.
In connection with that, Madam Chair, nag-inform sila sa kuha nga naa sila'y celebration karong Saturday na ilang premyo, kulang man ilang premyo, mo na nga dungaga na to og pagkaon, any
Okay.
kuan, kining mo volunteer kay on my behalf, Madam Chair, kay para lang po sa kahago sa atong mga staff and employees diri sa City Council,
Okay.
I will donate 1 whole lechon
Okay.
for the celebration of the City Council staff. And Honorable Moralion said, nag-istorya siya nako nga di po daw siya pagansi, another 1 lechon for
Wow!
Honorable Moralion, Madam Chair.
Very good.
Palihog ko og for the record nga naa si Moralion mohatag og lechon. At the same time, kung any manaay mo volunteer diha to my colleagues nga naa karubuntaga diri, you are all welcome to donate for
Lechon.
the
Lechon.
celebration of our employees here in the City Council. Thank you,
Okay,
Madam
very
Chair.
good. Man, where is the venue? Ang venue din nila? Honorable Salvador, asa may venue na to?
Wala pong kabalo. Asa sila? Regina? O sige, ipasirado ng Regina kay atuan ng baryaran ng entrance tanan.
Hindi na lang. Time pa. Ha?
Madam Chair, pahabol, maulaw magod si Honorable Moralion para lang yun daw nga sulit ang ilang pag-enjoy kay we are out of town on that day, ma-enjoy ang atong mga staff and employees sa City Council. Mudungag si Honorable Moralion og cash nga 10,000 for drinks and for additional food. Mauna siya, maulaw man siya kay ana siya nga
Very good.
Gi-record din. For the record, Madam Chair, additional cash ni Honorable
Very good.
Moralion, 10,000 pesos for
Okay.
party.
Thank you, Honorable Moralion, for your being so generous, no? A sort of acknowledgement sa atong mga dancers, okay? We'll be out of town for that. Na ano sa to? July 18. The celebration would be on July 18. That's Friday. 19. So we are out of town naman. 19. Anyway, you can enjoy. No? Salamat. Thank you, Honorable Moralion. Thank you so much. Any other pledge? Like na. Out of town man ta. Okay. And yes, our Fiesta celebration was really very successful in God's grace. We would like also to acknowledge Honorable Katkat Lim for his very good, successful kaayo ang iyang wukaton ba to? Do you have any report, Honorable Lim, regarding your activities? Very successful po.
Thank you, Madam Chair. But I would like also to extend my gratitude to our leaders, Madam Chair, especially to our Governor Henry Waminal, Congressman Sancho Fernando Ando Waminal, Congressman Indy, our Congressman Asenso Pinoy, to our beloved Mayor Sam Fuentes, and of course to all of us for supporting the activity. And also to the silent sponsors from our City Council, kabalo na tag kinsay sige og donate ana ato pod silang pakpakan with all their heart. And Madam Chair, the runners, the participants, it's almost 2,800, Madam Chair. Yes, and we have one Caucasian foreigner and 4 Kenyans. They are based from Malaysia, Madam Chair. And comparing last year, the Kenyans who participated our half marathon were from Manila based. But since they knew that our defending champion last year, si Sir Salanio, is difficult to beat, the Kenyans from Malaysia is their participants. So, karon na third na si Sir Salanio. And the activity, actually I was not there, Madam Chair, and also for the preparation since I have a health problem to have a complete rest. But with the reports I've heard and seen during live forecast, it was successful, no accident, no criminal incident, Madam Chair, reported. And together with our all departments who helped, especially to CDRRM, traffic enforcers, City Health, SWIMO, PNP, and tourism, and other departments, Madam Chair, who helped for the preparation and during the activity. Thank you very much. Without you also, without them, I mean, the activity will not be that successful and great. I hope that for the next year, there will be another half marathon since talking also of fun, it is indeed a great fun. And talking about our economic return, it is also a great opportunity to our businessmen na fully book ilahang mga hotels because 80% of our participants are not from Ozamis City.
Very
And they actually, some participants stayed longer, not just 1 night, but 2 nights. So imagine, just imagine if the 70% alone from the participants will spend their money here in Ozami City, it has a great impact to our economic return. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Very good. Congratulations, Honorable Lim. Can we hear also from Honorable Cypress? Do you have any report regarding your activity last Fiesta? I think you have some reports also.
Yes, Madam Chair. First of all, among pasalamatan ang ato ang mga leaders, no. First and foremost si Gov Henry kay murag na materialize na gyud ang kaning Asenso Osamis Tennis Club, most especially ang ato ang court na covered. I think, Madam Chair, first ni siya sa region tingali, Madam Chair, na clay court siya na nahimo na karong covered court. So through ni Gov Henry, siya ra gyud maoy nakahatag ana, no, kay sa una, Madam Chair, igo ra gyud mi moingon na maayo unta no na maatupan ni kay mahunong man gyud ang dula kung mag-ulan. So unya tungod sa kuan, Madam Chair, kanang mga tennis enthusiast, kuan gyud kaayo nila kanang ang tennis manggod, Madam Chair, is kanang ang uban, even though retire na sila, mo ilahang pleasure, Madam Chair, na makadula sila, pastime nila. So daghan murag na hatag na gyud na siya, Madam Chair, na every fiesta mag-celebrate gyud lain-laing lugar, whole region, kaning 10, Madam Chair, sa Bukidnon, Cagayan, Molave, even Zamboanga del Sur, manganhi gyud na sila. So ang sa tennis, Madam Chair, mura na siya og tagbo-tagbo, Madam Chair, ba og asay fiesta moadto pud na sila for tennis commercial, and diri ra gyud sa atoan na ang tennisan na himong covered court through sa ato ang Asenso leaders ni Gov Henry. And Madam Chair, amo pong pasalamatan si paglingkod ni Kong Ando, diha na gyud ta mura og kanang buffet type ang ato ang pakaon sa ato ang mga participants. So every time na naagi tennis commercial dinhi sa Osamis, Madam Chair, kanang ilahag yung dayuhon. So same thing sa ato ang marathon, ang families sa ato ang mga players mo anhi dinhi sa Osamis City, it takes mga 2 or 3 days na mo stay sila dinhi kay para aron pag-appeal anang tennis commercial. So ingon ana pod, Madam Chair, ang atong mga businessmen malipay pod sila kay syempre ang ato ang gi-host is only 2 dinners and 1 lunch. So the rest of the meals makakaon gid sila sa ubang mga restaurants and mga karinderya nato. So beneficial gid ang ato ang mga business community. So and this time, Madam Chair, ang atong Asenso Pinoy maoy ga-host nato for the past years, and this time balik na pud si Kong Ando, siya na po'y maoy nag-sponsor sa ato ang meal. So moingon gyud ang ato ang mga players na salamat gyud kaayo sa ato ang Asenso mga leaders kay grabe gyud ka supportive sa unsay atong mga activity dinhi, Madam Chair. And I think that's all. Ang amo ara gyud is grateful ang gyud mi na we have great leaders na nakatabang gyud sa ato ang community. That's all, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much, Honorable Cypress, for your well-sounded feedback, no, during that Fiesta activities. Guwapo kaayo. Yes, generally, the Fiesta celebration and all the activities was really successful. So, with the collaboration of everybody, from the City Council, from the Mayor's Office, and all our staff, no, and employees, nahimo yun nga mabulukon o malampuson ang atong Fiesta celebration in honor of our Nuestra Señora de la Cruz del Triunfo de Pangi, no, de Mig Pangi. Bubato din. Nuestra Señora Inmaculada Concepción del Triunfo de Mig Pangi. Okay. That was the title of our Blessed Virgin here, Birhin sa Kota, sa Osami City. And there are a lot of miracles happening kinta. Dahan kayong mga testimonyo no, regarding the miracles nga gihatag sa atong Blessed Virgin in Osami City. One and foremost, katong during the olden time, nga giatake na this mga pirata across the bay, nga makita ko no nila din sa kuan kanang kuta, kuan na lang mga kugon, mga inaanak kinta, mga shrubs, dili sila kakita mga sakita sa baybayon. So a lot of miracles, no, miracles happen gyud tingali na tinuod yun according to the history kinta. So I think there are a lot of memorable events nga gihatag kanato ang atong Blessed Virgin nga ang ayan gyud nato siyang pasalamatan, no, for her intercession for the safe for the security for the people of Osamis, that through her intercession we had been protected against the pirates sa unang panahon, and that was the story of our mga katigulangan sa una. Anyway, we have to continue, no, sa pasalamat sa atong Mama Mary o sa tanan pod. We have to continue with the celebration and with our leaders. We have really noticed nga ang atong mga service, the three pillars of Misamis Occidental, Mayor Indy at that time, karon si Mayor Sam, Governor Henry Waminal, and Congressman Ando Waminal. They are really in touch with us. Kanunay gyud sila nga nagpabati sa ilang support for the people of Osamis and the people of Misamis Occidental. Palakpakan na to sila, be. Okay. We are really honored nga we have these leaders. Any other mga side comments, reports before we declare adjournment? Ato lang balikon nga tonight ba to? Salamat Lord, Honorable Waminal, for your updates sa agriculture, no? Salamat kayo sa imong mga updates. And then tonight is a coronation night, and as being suggested by the committee chair, Honorable Suiso, the women has to wear Filipiniana, okay, and for the men in barong, no? So the venue would be at the Wellness Park. What if muulan? I hope.
Madam Chair, the audience nga bench is already fully covered with
Okay.
the
Prepared na.
ceilings na natay atop, then the stations with the atop, and only the open area will be also having tents,
Okay, very good.
just in case. So everybody will be dry tonight,
Sige,
even if
okay.
it's wet.
In God's grace. Okay, salamat kayo, and through the powerful intercession of the Blessed Virgin, the activity would be puhon successful. So wala na. I would like to reiterate, the women has to wear Filipiniana, and for the men, barong. No problem. Okay, may mga lalaki, kanaman kanunay Filipiniana, barong Tagalog. Okay. Salamat. Any other comments or some important items, other matters to be discussed, Honorable Suiso?
We will have our lunch at the office of Honorable Cecil Co. After
Okay.
this, please don't go home kay na si Mayor this
So we would like to
lunchtime.
greet our birthday celebrator, Honorable Dinky Suiso. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. How young are you? Happy birthday to you. Thank you. May I turn over the chair to the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, Honorable Lau